cuando yo la vi. Dije si esa mujer fuera para mí. Perdóname, te lo tenía que decir. Está dura, 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 dura. Que está dura, mano arriba porque tú te ves bien. Está dura, mamacita, te fuiste de nivel. Dura, mira cómo brilla.
All of life is in the UAE.
Morning, guys. I have a face mask on. I don't know. I look scary. But that's what it's about. I'm gonna stop talking now because it's sliding off. So, catch y'all later. Hi, guys. So I've decided to go for a walk because I'm not feeling too good. So maybe going for a walk. Maybe going for a walk will help. I don't know. Oh, look at this view.
Better than that. Better than that. Better than that. You can do better than that. Say you will live, you do better than me. Say you will live, do better please. Me know some me shake up. When you tell me you're leaving, me tell you if you go on cause you're fed up. But remember me turn you in.
Good production.
Some of them girls here see dog. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. From me turn you in a side, girl. Be a problem in my life, girl. From me turn you in a side, girl. I just be a question from my wife, girl. Sorry, some of fucks up, girl, when my blood clot fuck. Some of them chat too blood clot much.
You're my Jamaican boy, more like my jam dung toy. I trust you cause you bring me joy. You occupy my time like my employed. Ooh, and I'm addicted to you. Need you more than a new pair of shoes. Always have me in a
I wish I have.
I got a hole in one. You're hilarious.
Where's mommy?
Gold? Shoot, you got this. Draco, this game is the best. Gold, you're extremely good. Oh no. Oh, it's this. Yes. I also hate this mini game of winking cups. Lunar, it doesn't seem like you're a very big fan of carnival games.
If I was in a carnival game, my favorite I think it would be
Skee-ball? You're so
I think it
basic.
would be
Yeah, that's right. Skee-ball's not even. I also like tossing the ball at
again?
clowns. I made it.
Oh yeah, toss the one. That's one. That one.
I don't know. Maybe she's secretly lying.
I like the person. I like that the person just jumps in the water if I make it.
You know, I'm gonna go for that.
If I make
This
it.
even a tap. I keep saying a little tap, and then if you fail, I got it.
They're supposed to get in one of the colored ones?
Yeah.
There is no swinging. You're just supposed to
I did not.
believe.
Me and them are stone and buckle up the terrace with my father. Because my father loves stab. My father not joking, my father is a
Do not video me.
Cut out like Pablo. Cut out chat trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping
yeah. Turn this around. Guys, we're going to the gym. Ooh, sorry, shit. There we go.
No, not good enough.
Something to the camera.
Hello, friends. Kind of over there in the fourth grade. You know, I'm a big baller from London. Yeah. So look out for your next video. She are gonna be at the football match at Kencut. You have to check it out. We play Rollington Town. So come support the match. Let me check out Blood Ash.
There's a bathroom. Something to the vlog.
What must I say to the vlog? Big up yourself, yeah. Welcome to your. This is the real Macar. Big up yourself, because subscribe to our channel. And them things there. So look out for the.
Are that you really message me?
Yeah. Huh?
That you really message me?
Kyle, man, do an interview.
You do an interview?
Oh no. Yeah, that's my nigga Kyle right there, isn't it? Tell people just keep the peace. Okay, we're gonna say all of this. Yo, legalize weed. Legalize weed, please.
You didn't hear that from me.
See me? Like, it's medication for the meditation.
Listen,
right?
eventually I'd like more sponsorship. So,
yeah.
let's start again.
No, really?
It's just the weed. So the man will be like, well, this long time.
Long time.
But this guy can step in. This guy can step in.
Oh yeah.
That's right.
Vendetta. Load of people.
Gaza!
Yard not safe. Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to say them things in on the
Man,
back.
just say Vendetta and Gaza. Man, what are this?
No, I never said that. I said yard not safe. Yo, people. More love. You see me?
More life.
More life and stop the bugger. Racism for prayer.
Yeah, I'm see
it
from Instagram.
No, like, I'm not get to that.
Drop 25 songs.
25.
Okay, so.
So, we can show this side?
Yes, but like PG-13.
Vendetta. Oh, little kids. Ah, yeah. Subscribe to this young lady's channel. She's an awesome person. She has awesome content, you know what I mean? Look at me advertising for YouTube. Subscribe to this young lady's channel. She's an awesome person. She has awesome content, you know what I mean? Look at me advertising for YouTube. Boobs! Yeah. Boobs!
My auntie watched this, alright? It's a comic.
Oh, I'm a good boy.
In the life of my dream, living it up with my team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't achieve. Living the life of my dream.